Hello guys, welcome to our channel Market Future. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys a strategy that can make you profitable in for boom and crash. This is a scalping strategy, guys. You can double your account also if you will use the rules strictly and properly. There are three confirmations, so guys, make sure you watch the whole video, and make sure guys, if you want free signals, I will provide there, and VIP signals also. Okay guys, so make sure you join my Telegram channel, because experience is the biggest thing, guys. Nothing strategy and no indicator can purchase that. Okay guys, so I am trading in synthetic from last 4 years, synthetic and forex. So I am expert in synthetic. So guys, make sure you join my Telegram channel for free signals. I have provided my Telegram channel link in the video description, guys. Okay guys, and if you want to contact me, I have provided my Telegram channel username also. So guys, I will provide my Telegram channel link in the video description, but sometimes the links doesn't work, so just you have to go and search on the Telegram Market Future 1. Okay guys, and you have to join my this channel. Only 14 subscribers still. And guys, after 100 subscriber, I will open my VIP group so that you can make money, lot of money with me. And I will share the live account results by using my experience, so that you guys can also enjoy and make money with me. Okay guys, so let's continue and learn about this strategy. And guys, if you want to contact me, you can just search @ richest fu. Okay guys, so my name is Rai. So just message this ID, nothing else. Okay, so let's continue. So guys, first of all, this is the only strategy that will make you profitable, because this how the strategy looks. Okay, so there are three setups. Okay, 1 2 3, and I will totally tell you that how to use it perfectly. Just follow the rules strictly, guys, but keep in mind, use this strategy at your own risk, because I have back tested it from last 10 to 15 days. It is giving a nice level of accuracy, so that you guys can also use. I'm recommending you guys this strategy. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel also. So let's see for this setting. Okay, first you have to go on indicator, then you have to add a relative strength index. Okay guys, first of all, you have to add a relative strength index, then see the settings. Okay guys, so you have to make this setting, and you have to put the color of your background color. Okay guys, see my chart background color is black, so I put it. You have to choose pixel 1 and labels. Just take the screenshot and copy. Okay guys, after adding this, you have to add another relative strength index, same settings. Okay guys, and same color. Okay, now you have to first moving average on your first relative strength index. The moving average is 10 0 exponential close, pixel 3, color this. Okay, you can use color of your choice, but I will recommend you to use my color, because so that you can understand well. And in the indicator window 2, you have to use this, you have to add Ichimoku. And the settings are this: 9 26 52, and you have to just add color this 1 2 and all three of your background color. You can use pixel of your choice, but I will recommend you to use 3 pixel. Okay, then after that, our strategy is ready. Okay, so let me show you that how this strategy really works, and how it will give you like good accuracy. If you will follow my rules, it will give you 3 confirmation, then you have to take. Okay guys, so guys, so what we are here seeing is that, uh, so first of all, we will have to look for a sell opportunity. So first of all, we will look this our moving average, that for boom 1000 we have to look for sells, and you can catch spikes also. I will tell you all the thing that how to do it. You have to you will have to wait until this moving average comes under 85 to 90. After that, you have to wait for this Ichimoku in a bit, so it came between 85 to 90. Then you have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, then you have to wait for the confirmation, guys. When it will cross this second line, then you have to take. So here we are seeing that, uh, so here again we can see is that, again it goes under 85 to 90. Then we will wait for this. Okay guys, to cross over this Ichimoku. So it crosses over here. Okay, so we have to just take 5 to 10 candles to scalp, because then it will give you a very high level of accuracy. So just you have to use 5 to 10 candles to scalp, and you can use a good lot size to scalp, because this can make a lot of money for you. Okay, so we will go for another setup to show you guys. So here we are seeing that, and again this goes in the 85 to 90. Then we will wait for the Ichimoku to cross. Here the Ichimoku crosses, so we will take our entry here, and we can take just 5 candles or 10 candles, so that we can start. So let's go for crash 1000 and crash 500 and boom 500. Okay guys, so for boom 500 and boom 1000, all the rules are same, and crash 1000 the rules are different. And let me show you that how to catch spikes. Okay, for catching spike you have to just see this confirmation. Okay guys, you have to just see this confirmation, the moving average. Once it goes under this, you can take the buy position with a small lot size, and you can hold until it goes till this zone. You don't have to wait for this confirmation, that crossover, because here no crossover will occur. So just you have to wait for this. You have to open with a small lot size, and your SL will be after 3 to 4 candles. Okay, and let's go for crash 1000 guys. And guys, let me tell you that the zoom level is last zoom level, last. Okay, so here we will wait for another setup. So here what we can see, the moving average is under 10 to 15. We will have to buy, so we will look for the moving average 10 to 15. And here what we see, that here it gives entry, but this Ichimoku doesn't give the entry. Okay, so we'll wait for another setup. Again the moving average can come under this zone, and here we will see that the crossover occur. We can easily scalp 5 to 10 candle daily. It will give you a nice number of chances, so that you can mess. So be patient, don't be greedy guys, and join my Telegram channels for more informative videos. But for signals you can join my channel also, because experience is the biggest thing. Okay guys, the strategy will never make the lot of profit for you. I'm telling, use this indicator at your own risk. Okay, use this strategy at your own risk. So again we can see the moving average come under 10 to 15, and here what we see, that the Ichimoku crosses, but it's not under 10 to 15 zone. So there here is not a chance. So again here we can see the moving average is under 10 to 15, but the Ichimoku is under. So we will look for the crossover. Here we crossover, and we will scalp 5 to 10 candles. So guys, this is how this strategy works. So, and if you are looking for spikes guys, so here you can let me show you. Here you can just take the entry. Okay guys, for spikes you have to wait till the 90, so that you will so that the winning chances will be increased the highest. Okay guys, you will wait. See here it touches the 90 zone, then you have to take, and after 2 candles it just spike, and your take profit will be near about this guys. Okay, when it will come to this zone, this moving average, so here you can book your take profit. This is how this indicator work. And let me show you some more results, so that you can make a thing. And there's no there is no live trade, so that I can't see. Here it is spike when it goes in this 90.00 zone. It just spike, crash 1000 just spike. You guys can see live. Okay, so this is how this strategy works. Make sure you follow the rules strictly. And guys, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel for more updates, for free signals and for VIP signals also. And guys, that's all I want to say. And guys, if you are looking for catching spikes for a swing, so you can go on M5 also. See here what we can see is 90 zone it touches, and it starts spiking. Your TP will be this when it will come under this zone. Okay, so it's a biggest catch. Okay, so 4672 189, almost guys 250 pips catch. This is the superb strategy that you can use. Just use it on M5 and M1. Don't be greedy, and use it on all time frames. Okay guys, and let's move on to crash 500, so that I can show you. All the rules are same for scalping. So here what we can see, here you guys can take the trade. Here see the moving average under it cross over here guys, it cross over here. So here we can take our trade, but we have almost left our 3 candles, so we will not take this trade. So just you have to keep watching the charts. And see here it's up 4 candles, so just make sure you follow the rules strictly. And this is the superb indicator you can use guys. Just make sure the zoom level is the last one. And for catching spike, it's also working here. See the 90.00 zone, you have to take profit when it comes to this zone. So here you take our entry, and your take profit will be here. Okay guys, the biggest cash ever. And M5, hope you will like this strategy. Comment below that how you like this strategy, but make sure you join my Telegram and support me. And guys, this is how this strategy work. And crash 500 is the fastest moving pair on the synthetic. So I like to trade crash 500 because it goes directly profit, and you can use for the trend also. So here we can see that it comes on 90 zone and it cross over here, so we will easily scalp 4 to 5 candle, like about 25 to 30 pips. Okay guys, so this is how it works. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and guys, join my Telegram channel. I will provide I have provided some indicators reviews in the Telegram channel also, so that you guys can enjoy. So let me show you that. So guys, I have shared that one indicator which is very super powerful. This indicator will really give you 99% accuracy. You can watch this video by scrolling down. This is the video. This indicator will give you 99% accuracy. I have shared the results also, that how I am catching the spikes, and people also catching the spikes by using this indicator. This indicator is sponsored to do, so don't buy this indicator. I will not give you that only. This is the best indicator that I have ever posted. The indicator cost $200, and let me show you some proof that how it works. See, they are the result that I have shared in the video. It spikes in 120 seconds. It means 2 candles. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the indicator which can give you 99% accuracy. So as you can see all the results here, instantly it spiked. And here the peoples who give me the feedback about this indicator. And see guys, people who purchase this indicator, see, $150 in 3 hours by using this indicator. By using that indicator, that indicator costs $200. So interested people can buy this indicator. I personally use to trade and making profit. So guys, thank you for watching this video.